wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's a new trying new to me makeup products video. You guys know this is where I try products that might be new to the market, and I might have owned it for a minute and I forgot to try it, and I'm actually trying it now, so it's new to me. So if you guys want to see what that stuff looks like on my face, then let's go. So the first thing I actually already used because I did my brows off camera, it's from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's that Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. If you guys remember, I think the last Let's Talk new makeup releases, I mentioned how they were coming out with a new like clear collection, clear gloss, clear brow wax. I don't remember what else came in, but basically it's all clear, right? I said, would I buy it? No, I would not. But I received it in the mail, so I figured, you know, why not try some of it out? If you saw that video, I said in there the clear gloss, it's like clear gloss, so you can't really go wrong. But that, I was right. I tried the clear gloss. It just makes your lips shinier, right? It just gives you a glossy finish to your lip. I think, is this also, what is this? Oh wait, is this it? They're diamonds. Oh, so I think there's two glosses in the collection. One that's just like a clear gloss, and then this one, you see how it's that type of gloss. I'm not even gonna try that. So that's what that looks like. But the brow wax, I wanted to see what that would look like using it on, so I did, you know, fill in my brows a little bit and then use the wax on top of that. I'll let y'all know if like it actually keeps my brow hairs up throughout the day, but you know, that's what the finish of it looks like. Now for eyeshadow, this is not new to the market. I just bought it and forgot to use it. It's from Meltz Cosmetics. It's their 27 palette. It looks like this on the inside. Let's make a look. Okay, let's take Downtown, this second shade, and apply that up here. And then this last shade, Moonchild, and put that right in my crease. And then this shade, Moxie, as the lid color. I don't know if y'all can hear that outside, but my neighbor is attempting to drive over snow because they don't want to actually shovel the snow. I'm not sure how that works when it's like a foot, I think more than a foot of snow out there, but I'll keep y'all posted on how that goes for them. It doesn't sound like it's going too well, but you never know. Is my liner even? No, it's not, but you know what? That's on brand for me at this point, so it's okay. I wasn't expecting the fallout that I got from that palette, but other than that, I feel like it works like all the other Meltz palettes if you've ever tried one. So the next new thing I've got is from Peach and Lily. This is their Glass Skin Water Gel Moisturizer. Usually when I hear like water gels, those type of things for moisturizer, I'm here for it because I got oily skin. So this, ooh, almost dropped it, looks like this. And okay, it's got a pump. Oh. You know, I just said the word like water gel, but for some reason I was still surprised that it came out as a gel. Oh, it's moisturizer. I'm putting it on like it's a primer. I'm gonna just put that over my face. Is it giving me glass skin or just shiny skin? For primer today, I'm gonna use one of those face milks from Colourpop's Fourth Ray Beauty. This is their Strawberry Papaya. I'm pretty sure this came out in a collection, I don't know, months ago. It's Colourpop, so this is probably like 70 collections old. I'm gonna use this in my T-zone, if I can get any. First of all, strongly smells like strawberry. Wasn't playing with the name. Second, you don't need to apply this much. That was way too much, but it was already there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to blend. I mean, I'm gonna have to wipe some off, but nice little segue and, you know, talking about scents. So I just bought the new Huda foundation because if you guys didn't hear, she redid the original without the scent. So I'm excited because the scent in that broke me out the first time that I tried it. So now I can try it again because I'm pretty sure I liked it besides the scent and besides breaking out. Just wanted to let y'all know I've used this Auric illuminator every time I've done my makeup since the video of me initially trying it, and I use it in the shade Goldstone. Just saying if you wanted to pick it up. I'm also trying out new brushes from Meltz Cosmetics today. This one, I was a little intrigued when I got this in the mail. It's from Maybelline. It's their Lasting Fix Banana translucent setting powder, and it's banana powder that doesn't look straight up yellow, so y'all know ooh, that's what, well, you see that? That's what the color looks like. It's gonna take me 5 minutes to, oh wait, no, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it will. Ooh.
Come on. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna set my face real quick. I'm actually really starting to like this sponge from Laura. I think because of the shape, it makes it easier getting into certain crevices of your face. So if you guys remember from December 2020's Let's Talk New Releases, I mentioned how Danessa Myricks is coming out with the Balm Contour. So I did pick one up. I got it in the shade Deep 1. I'm hoping that that's actually deep enough to contour me. It's not the darkest shade, but I think from the shade finder thingy, this is what they told me would be best for me. And it looks like that. Let's see what she's giving, if giving anything at all. Okay, she's not giving the most, but she's not giving the least either. I feel like it's up my alley as far as I don't be wanting my contour to be like right there. You can see, you can spot it on my face. If you are, then like I said, there are deeper shades, so I would suggest going a little deeper. I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face because I don't have that much newness left. So for my lips, Bemi sent me these lipsticks from the collection Tiana Taylor did with MAC, so I'm gonna use this shade. I got a man. All right, sis, let them know. For the first shade. And I'm gonna use this ultra glossy lip from Colourpop in the shade Cosmetics to add a glossy finish to my lips. Oh, okay. It's an interesting wand. I don't like the wand. And the last new thing I have to try is also from Maybelline. It's their new Sky High mascara. I'm not gonna lie, mascara is probably the most unimpressive thing a company can come out with right now as far as makeup launches, but the pictures of the, you know, before and afters do look somewhat intriguing. So I'm gonna use this on my bottom lashes that are non-existent because I keep picking them out. The mascara did a little something, but it's nothing to write home about. But that is it for my face today. I feel like I told you about the stuff as I was trying it, so I'm like, where do I go from here? But I guess, you know, quick recap of everything that I tried on. The brow wax, it looks nice on the face. I feel like the main purpose though, you know, for it to be a wax is how it's going to hold your brows throughout the day. I don't feel like my brows are the most, you know, like the hairs fall down by the end of the day, but I'll keep you guys updated on that. The eyeshadow palette, like I said, once you've tried one Meltz eyeshadow palette, you've tried them all. Now, if you've never tried one and you're wondering like what is the formula of the palette like, the mattes, super easy to blend. There's a lot of kickback with them, but I usually find that the ones that have a little more kickback end up working better on the eye and usually are more pigmented, like takes less effort. Actually, sometimes it kind of depends with the Meltz eyeshadow palettes. And then the shimmers usually do what shimmers have to do on the eye. The Peach and Lily Glass Skin, like I said, I wasn't sure if it was giving me glass skin or if it was just giving me, you know, like shiny, wet looking skin. But you know, the finish of my face, okay. I'm not sure how much of that can be contributed to the glass skin, but I'll give it that. What are they called? The Milks. What is it called? I don't even know where I put it down. From Fourth Ray Beauty that I used as a primer. I feel like, again, with those, they're just, you know, being made in different scents, stuff like that, strawberry, banana, whatever, and they usually put one of those in all of the collections that they come out with. But again, I feel like once you've tried one, you've kind of tried them all. I don't really feel like those have different formulas to them as far as, you know, like dewy finish, matte, all that. I feel like they just all kind of work the same. The powder, I don't know how I feel about the powder. I like the fact that it wasn't, you know, yellow, but I don't know how I feel about this color on my face. I don't know. I feel like I'll have to look while I'm editing the video at my face for a long period of time to determine whether I like it or not. And of course, I don't know how it actually like oil control and stuff like that. My first impression is I don't know. On this powder, I really don't know how I'm feeling. You'll find out if you see me continue using it. The contour product, like I said, the shade that I got is doing what I need it to do for how I like to wear my makeup. But if you like, you know, more of a defined contour, they do have, I think, 1 or 2 deeper shades. And that one, I think, don't quote me. So go check that out. But as far as the actual formula, it's cream product. Cream usually looks nice on the skin, and because I don't have that much cream everywhere else, it'll hold up better since I do have oily skin. And then, yeah, I think the mascara, the lip products, they're lip products. Alright, you just look at the color and tell if that's something that you want. But the mascara, yeah, you know, it gave me some bottom lash lines that's noticeable on my face, but, and I mean, it's a drugstore mascara, so it's not going to be that most expensive. If you want to pick it up, check it out for yourself, go right ahead. But that is it for all the newness that I tried this month. I would say the contour product is probably what I'm stepping away with the most. You're going to see this again in coming videos, and everything else we'll see if you see it again. So that is it. I hope if I tried anything that you guys were thinking of checking out this video helped. If you don't want to check it out for yourself, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells, all of that, guess where? Down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.